Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Remember that coin takeoff after the GameStop partnership rumor a couple of months ago? After the idea of the metaverse, the news drew attention to several cryptocurrencies associated with this concept, and with the entire crypto gaming and NFT sector in general. And the biggest beneficiary of this was the little-known cryptocurrency Loopring, LRC, which was worth about $0.4 before Facebook's announcement, and 5 days later, on November 2nd, hit an all-time high of $1.7084, a rise of almost 330%. Despite a 2-day correction, Loopring quickly resumed its growth, and is currently showing a gain of 25% since yesterday, and more than 110% in a week, making it by far the best performing cryptocurrency in the top 100. It is currently in 75th place. What keeps it afloat and gives impetus? If Loopring continues to grow, it's because its growth was driven by positive news other than the metaverse craze. Last Thursday, the trade press noticed that a code snippet posted on GitHub had a hint pointing to a partnership with GameStop, New York Stock Exchange GME, which has not been refuted. We will follow the development of events this week, as a refutation can lead to a fall in the currency, and a confirmation can lead to a new record. Loopring runs on the Ethereum blockchain bottom pattern, which could raise the price to some extent, and test the neckline at $4.29. Once these levels are tested and cleared finally, a major uptrend could be imminent. However, the pattern would become invalid if the price closes the price below the current support levels. Yet the asset may rebound quickly, defeating the bears. Curve Dow, CRV, the CURV, Dow price has also plunged to its lowest ever levels for the first time in the past 6 months, and hence signifies some sort of a bearish trend that may drag the asset to its initial levels below $1. However, with each plunge towards the support levels, the asset has risen significantly, and hence a similar flip may be fast approaching as the market initiates to stabilize a little. The GRAPH, the graph token is trending within a depleting channel for quite a long time, and hence testing all the support levels. The GRT price was primed for a rebound a couple of days before, but the uncertain environment compelled the price to hover below the crucial support levels. After slicing through important support levels, the price may discover new lows quickly, and attempt to rebound, which is due for a long time. Collectively, the crypto space may continue to be pretty much uncertain for the next couple of days, and hence could stabilize somewhere by the end of February or in March 2022. Once Bitcoin price flips strongly, most of the altcoins tend to follow the star crypto and reverse the trend firmly. The next news, crypto market shed $200 billion on Russia-Ukraine conflict, Market Watch. After yesterday's brief recovery attempts, Bitcoin nosedived once again following the conflict escalation between Russia and Ukraine, and dumped to just over $34,000. Most altcoins suffered even more, with substantial double-digit losses evident from the majority. Bitcoin plummeted to a monthly low. All eyes are now on the rapidly escalating tension between Russia and Ukraine. Following several weeks of threats and so-called military trainings, the world's largest country by landmass did what many expected was just a matter of time, and launched an invasion, still labeled as a special military operation. Will reports showcase how Russian troops and military vehicles enter Ukraine through the border with Belbek from DeFi token Loopring, LRC, after recent dip. Loopring, along with the rest of the market, has been subjected to the ongoing bearishness. The DeFi token, which was once the talk of the town thanks to its record-shattering rise, ended up being affected by yesterday's dip. Loopring, along with the rest of the market, has been subjected to the ongoing bearishness. The DeFi token, which was once the talk of the town thanks to its record-shattering rise, ended up being affected by yesterday's dip. Loopring tumbling down by 16.95%. The token has been on a continuous downtrend ever since it hit the ETH of $3.41. Since then, its 813% gains have been cut by half as LRC was trading at $1.7 at press time. This event furthered the state of losses that investors had been dreading for a while now. Usually, this is caused by either of the two reasons. 1. Investors have been rising, but prices are not. 2. Losses are transpiring. In case of LRC right now, both the situations are occurring simultaneously. Firstly, the network has observed an influx of new investors at the rate of 10k new addresses a month, owing to the rally in October. This is a 900% increase in the rate of adoption, as previously no more than 1k investors used to be on board every month. Secondly, the falling prices have put almost 22% of all investors in losses, since most of the people joined the network around the time when LRC price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the